In this video, you'll learn how you can expand your investment opportunities beyond Wall Street by rolling over 401k funds into a self-directed IRA. Are you considering investing in alternative investments such as real estate, private businesses, or precious metals? A self-directed IRA allows you to invest in the alternative assets you believe will help you achieve your financial goals for retirement. If you have a 401k with a former employer, you likely have the choice to roll your funds over into a self-directed IRA. You will first need to contact your current plan administrator to verify whether your account is available to be rolled into a self-directed IRA. Your existing 401k retirement funds can be moved by either a direct or indirect rollover. A 401k direct rollover occurs when funds are moved from your 401k directly into your self-directed IRA. A 401k indirect rollover is when your 401k funds are first distributed to you, the account holder. You then have 60 days to roll your funds over to your newly opened self-directed IRA. A 401k direct rollover is usually regarded as the easier option. Whether you are transitioning between employment or reaching retirement age, rolling over your 401k into a self-directed IRA can give you more control of your retirement investing. You'll have the freedom to invest in and the ability to diversify your portfolio with many different assets rather than feeling confined to Wall Street products. Ready to get started? Call to speak with one of our self-directed IRA specialists today.